about measurements. Hey, so I have to let it at least like evaporate, some water to evaporate, so that it becomes a little bit thicker. But you guys, you should talk about measurements. Wenye mnaonyeshana huko how to make DIYs za nywele, mpeane measurements za maji. Because okra gel, I did make a lot of gel actually, and I ended up using very little. So yeah, I tried today again, and I'm seeing I have just like misused the water. But I'm going to let it like evaporate. Then I'll strain it with a socks or something. I don't know if a sieving kichungi inaweza chunga hii. I feel it's so slippery, but I'll try and see. So let's wait for the water to at least evaporate. But I can see it is very slippery. I'm loving the content or what actually has been produced. So I think this is after okra gel. I've tried the flaxseed. Then I also saw that the guy who sold me the flaxseed has the fenugreek. So I'll also be trying the fenugreek. So just keep subscribing and watching, because content is coming. Content is on its way. And I did think that the seeds will actually change their color, but they haven't. So I don't know if I can just store them and use them again. Ama nutrients imeisha. Please comment in the comment section if you think you can just like dry your flax seeds and store them and then reuse them. But I did see some people actually just going in with the blender and crushing or grinding everything. So that's also a good option, because you end up using like everything that you did buy. So let's see how this works magic on my hair. So I'm just giving it a few more minutes to boil, then I'll switch it off and let it just cool before actually, yeah, now it's coming, it's getting consistent. Now I'm loving the consistency. So let's give it a few more minutes. But I already feel this is just like excess. I should actually have used a half the cup, because my hair is not like very thick.